quick tutorial for my Lego puzzle box Woof. 4x4 base plate, 2x2 smooth, 1x2 stud, and then 1x1 smooth there. At the back, a 1x2 brick with a 1x2 smooth. And on the sides, 1x4, 1x2 smooth, and an original flat. On the opposite side, 1x4 smooth pieces here, 1 stud, and then a 1x1 smooth there. Here, put a 1x1 smooth, 1x2 smooth, and 1x2 smooth on either side. Now slide that. Put 1x2, 1x1, and a 1x2 smooth on top. Cause this is slide there, like you know. So, and for rest of the pieces, 2x2 smooth, and then 1x1, 1x1, and a 1x1 claw piece or something. Put it on the left side if you hold it like that, so you can put it like this. On the side, a 2x2 with a 1x1 brick. This piece, price piece, is this corner piece, smooth 1x1 price, which is a bomb. 1x1. Oh, bad focus. Hope you can see. And a 2x1 smooth. Put it down there. Okay, sorry for that. Remember, we got phone, but okay. And when you slide that back, you can slide this back, and you just put it in here perfectly. I thought. What's the matter? Like that. But there you go. Thanks for watching.